guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this snowman. I'm going to go in first and base coat him using the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White, and I'm base coating him using a number 12 flat. And I went ahead and base coated the white first so that I'd be able to go in and do a second coat. Now I'm going in with the Gulf, which will just require one coat, and then I'm going in with Peacock now, and again still using that number 12. And then I'm going to paint his arms and his nose, and I will swap to a smaller brush for those. So I am going in now with the color Chocolate for his arms. And then I'll use the color Florida Orange for his nose. And then once I'm done with his nose, he will be considered done base coated. So I'll allow him to dry completely. Now that he's dry, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and begin to outline everything, and I am using this to fill in his eyes. Once I've completed outlining him, I'm going to highlight his white parts with driftwood, and then everything else I'll highlight with cotton. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.